Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are trying to, the pool's finished up and we're trying to get all of our patio furniture put together and that sort of thing because it's an exciting time to get ready for summer and we want to have all of the features that we need outside by our pool. We want loungers, we want dinner tables, things like that where we're barbecuing. And so that's why we wanted to show you what we got, which is this teak Cambridge casual table. It's called the Miami. It actually has enough seating for 6 people. It's a 7-piece set, so it comes with a table and 6 chairs. It's fantastic for just basically being able to set up, have a quick dinner and that sort of thing. The best feature of this table is that it actually folds away and stores away. So if you're not having a bunch of people over for dinner and things like that, you can fold it away. It makes a really good, just kind of like a table inside of your patio or inside your screen and porch. It does that. But the thing that's really cool about this is it all folds down and it gets into a compact space. It also comes with these umbrella cushions, which are, this is like a shale color, and it's really nice. They actually Velcro right into the slats of the teak wood furniture. This is a teak wood table. You don't have to do anything to it, but if you do want to do something to it, you could do a teak oil to it if you want to do that to help maintain that a little bit better. It actually has a nice hole here in the middle for an umbrella, so we could put an umbrella up here and get it to cover the table and that sort of thing. I also like that there's a hole at the bottom, so if you don't really want to get a really heavy umbrella holder, you don't really need to with this one because you'll probably put it up and take it down as you're having dinner guests. So this is the set. It's fantastic. Let me show you the various features of this set and why we think it's an excellent addition to any patio. Okay, so let's first start with the 6 chairs. Like I mentioned, it has these nice cushions. These cushions actually have a nice Velcro strap that actually goes around one of the slats of the chairs. So it's really nice and it makes it obviously more comfortable. And these are umbrellas, so they're excellent quality and that sort of thing for it. So they're great for outdoor use. These chairs are ergonomic. They're the right size chairs. They're not oversized chairs, so you don't have big arms on them and things like that, which is not what you need for a table like this. And they fold down like that, which is fantastic. And I'll show you that they actually store under the tables. You get 6 of these chairs, and the other part that I think that they did a really good job on is when this cushion's actually on it, you can fold it with the cushion on it. So nobody wants to reach underneath the chairs and un-Velcro these things. So once you get these done one time, here, let me just quick show you. This is Velcroed back on. Now when you fold the chair up, you can do that, and it actually tucks the cushion down. So when you're storing it, it lays flat, completely flat like this. So you get 6 of these chairs. They have little casters on the bottom, so if you have a patio you don't want to tear up or anything like that, they're like the little plastic casters on it. So they're nice for that as well, and they're comfortable to sit in. So when you actually get them put back up, here you go. Cushion covers perfectly for the chair, and nice and ergonomic. So this set pretty much comes fully assembled. The table's assembled all but, it's one piece. It's all assembled by itself. The chairs, you don't have to do any assembly at all. All you have to do is put the cushions on. The only 2 pieces you need to put on this is you have 4 screws. You have 2 here and you have 2 over here, and they come with a little bit of wood glue that you can put inside this little curve here of it, and then you put on these wheels to make it portable. So that's the nice thing about it. These wheels got like a little rubber piece on them so you can roll it around. But these 2 are the only pieces that you have to do any assembly for when you get this product. So the table itself is a great size to have 6 people at it. The table is about 5.5 feet long. It's an oval table. It's like 3 feet and 3 inches wide. So it's a good size to it. So each person has their little space to eat and kind of sit back. But it's not oversized where it's taking up too much space within your patio or in your screened-in porch. Okay, let me show you my favorite part about this table. We wanted to have a table out here for when we had barbecues, but we didn't want it out here all the time. So we have loungers out here, and so we're not always having dinner guests and dinner parties. So the nice thing about this is it all folds down. Basically what you have to do is unscrew the thing, then you're gonna put each side piece away. So you're gonna slide those back in, so that's one. And then I'm going to do this side over here, slide that piece in. That's the support pieces for the table. Then you just have to turn the table. So as you can see, I'm just turning it. I'm holding up both sides, right? So that side folds down. Pull my chairs out a little bit. So this side will fold down as well. And so now It's much smaller, and it can be used as a side table, a bar table, and because you can move it, it's really nice that it's this size. So the spinning helps just get the size down to it. Then, second best piece is all of these chairs will just store underneath. You can just stack them in here. So you have six chairs that you're gonna store. Put one in at a time. And like you can see, the cushions tuck under, so the cushions stay on. But now, you can just wheel it away. So when you're done, you can wheel it inside. It's all condensed, it's all part of a thing. So now, what we always like to do is we're just gonna wheel it inside of our screened-in patio and use it as a bar table or be able to set stuff on it, but it's nice and put away. So now you can see we brought it inside of our screened-in porch area. We set things on it to make it, like summery, so you can set your drinks on it. If you're having drinks by the pool, you can set the cooler on it. It has that. I've never seen a table that folds away this compact. Look at how nice that is. It just kind of folds everything in there. Nice and compact with this kind of quality. So works extremely well. It's got 2 rubber wheels on it, so you can roll it across any surface and things like that. It's just really a nice set if you're not looking to have something completely set up at all times that's out on your patio. So this is a great set. It gives you so much versatility and options. You can leave it up the entire summer if you want. You can take it down just for the winter if you want. You can take it up and down like we do to give your patio some extra space. It's a great set, great quality. It's by Cambridge Casual. I'll put a link in the description below. We have a discount code for our link in the description below. So if you're looking for a patio set, table set that can sit 6 people, take a look at this teak wood one by Cambridge Casual. It's really a great table set with great versatility. So that's it. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Super thanks is always welcome. I love coffee. At the end of the day, this is a great set for you. Take a look and see what you think.